If you are a brand registered seller on Amazon, this video will blow you up with the insights that you're going to get from the tool Brand Analytics that is available only to the Amazon seller who has a trademark and is a brand registered seller with Amazon. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain you the Brand Analytics tool and how to use that to get competent keywords, how to do so much of good product research, what is converting, what is not converting, who is taking sales on which keyword. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain you how to use brand analytics, and that is insane. So it's a very, very advanced level things that I'm going to teach you right now. I'm very excited to show you. So this is Amazon Seller Central and this is brand analytics. Now this is only available if you are a brand registered seller on Amazon, and it will show you tons and tons of information. So let me go over here, which is sponsored brands, brand analytics. Now you can see exactly all the search terms which are the most popular on Amazon and all the good things about it. Like, so which is the most popular? So example, let me just take this to a little bit higher level. I'll just put my video over here. So let me just broaden and zoom this, and I will also put it over here. So if you can see, this term laptop was the number one searched product, the most popular product, most popular search term in the entire Amazon history. So the highest people, so let's say this period is from 12th to 18th September. In this week, the highest people, like people who came on Amazon, highest people were searching for the word laptop. The second highest was smartwatch, then iPhone 12, 13 watch. So you can exactly know what is actually happening in the entire space. This is like such an amazing data that you can literally understand what the buyer is actually coming for on Amazon and which is the most popular search result. Now let me just go, just let me just come back to the normal one. So right now, let's say, so you can see right now Vivo, Redmi, all these are. So Kurti is also one of the most searched ASIN. That gives you like insane amount of data that what people are actually buying for. Now this can actually be also amazing for um, your product research to understand what's working. For example, car accessories is the 28th search term. And the best part about this is you can exactly know who your, like who is converting the best, who is getting. So for example, let me go with car accessories. When somebody types the word car accessories, when somebody types the word car accessories like this on Amazon, I want to know, imagine if you know who exactly is getting the clicks. When somebody types the word car accessories, which product is getting the clicks and which product is getting the maximum sales for this keyword. That would be insane, because you can actually get those products in the market and you can literally sell, because you know that this product is getting a lot of sales. So over here, see, there are so many products that are coming in, car accessories like mobile phones. This is something, I don't know, it's like a glue or something. There are so many things. So how do you know that? So what you can do over here is you can go to brand analytics again, and the best part over this is, so let me just broaden this up. Okay, now for example, for car accessories, which is this, I will again have to go over here. Sorry for this thing. So if you can see over here, which is car accessories, the highest clicked ASIN was this, which is Luzer one piece leather. 10% ACU, so 10% clicks out of 100 people who visited. 10% click this, and 9% people bought this product. So this product is the number one clicked ASIN when somebody types the word car accessories, which is amazing, right? So you know what is now converting. For example, let's say in a day, in a week, 1,000 people come searching for this keyword, which is, let's say, car accessories, and out of 1,000 people, 10% actually click on this listing. That means 100 people click on this listing. So if I just show you a calculator, if let's say 1,000 people are coming to the listing, and this says that your 10% people are actually clicking on this listing, that means that 10%, which is 100 people, are actually clicking on this listing, and out of that 100, 9% people are actually buying. That means 100 multiply by 9.57, which is huge. Like almost 9 people are buying out of 1,000, which is, if I just do this maths, like 9.57 divide by 1,000, they are almost taking 1% of the entire sales for this keyword. So this is like amazing information. The second product that is doing so well for that keyword is HSR car accessories. You can see this product is doing the second best, is getting the highest clicks, second highest clicks, which is this 6% and 5.7% conversion. Then the third is this, which is again something like this, which is doing amazing. It is actually getting 6% click, 6.72% conversion. So amazing, amazing data, guys, that you can get and understand which product is working. So if you see this product is working well, you can go and check if the reviews are not, see the reviews are not that great, and definitely you can also launch this product without having any problem if you can source it and you can do better job than this, because this Amazon is telling you directly that this product is doing so good for from brand analytics. Now the best thing is, let's say I'm going to show you one cool strategy that you can implement with brand analytics and you can let crush your competitors. Let's say if I'm selling let's say vitamin gummies, for example, okay, and then let's say I go to this product and he's my competitor, okay, let's say this guy is my competitor. I will actually copy this asin and I can literally go to brand analytics. Let me just go over here and I can go to the month. Let's say like month is very high, let's go with week. And what I can do is I can put my competitors ASIN over here and I can literally know what keywords is he getting sales on and what is the top keywords that they are getting sales from. When I click on apply, you can see they are getting the maximum sales from these three keywords. Purna Gummies, which makes sense because that's what is their brand name. The second is vitamin C gummies, which is another. So Purna gummies are their keywords, and you can see this keyword is actually where they are coming on page one. And you can see over here, right? They will be somewhere on the page one. See, page one, position number 2. That's how you can actually understand exactly what is happening, like how these people are actually getting sales on. You can use the same keywords that you got from your all your competitors, and then what you can do is you can then create Amazon advertising uh, campaigns regarding the brand analytics. For example, let me just show you another example. Let's go with something like this. Okay, so let's say he's my top competitor. For example, I will go and I will just search my competitor's ASIN number over here. There's only one thing that they are ranking for, which is what Amazon is saying me. So what I'll do is I'll do something better. Let me go with Okay, let me go with something better to give you an example. Let's say I'm selling a travel. Let's go with neck pillow. Neck pillow. And let me go with this product. Let me go with this ASIN number. I'll go to brand analytics. I'll put it over here and I'll see number. See, there are 12 keywords which they are coming on top page one for. Neck pillows for eye mask. You can see the highest converting product is this, which is 17% clicks. Then is this, which is 9.34%. Then is head office. So what I will do is I'll copy the entire list of these keywords and I'm going to create 3 campaigns, which is broad, phrase, and exact. You can go to your campaign. You can click on um, create a campaign. You can go on sponsor products and then you can just select your ASIN number, whatever ASINs you're going for. You can click on keyword targeting, you can copy, and you can copy paste the entire thing. So you can copy this keyword, it will come over here, and then you can just bid, custom bid, or you can just put suggested bid, and you can start. It's like this. See this. So that's how you create use sponsor brands analytics to find your competitor keywords, and then you can use those keywords and run manual ads and get more sales. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, do put in the chat what do you feel about this and let me know your thoughts. Alright guys, I hope you must have enjoyed this video and you must have got really good insights of how to use brand analytics to find keywords and running campaigns. So if you want to learn different strategies that could help you increase your sales, I'm doing a 5-day workshop. The link is there in the description. It starts on a Monday. It's going to be awesome. If you want to be a part of that, you can sign up. It's just $4.99, which is less than the price of a pizza. And if you're a good brand on Amazon and you want us to manage your Amazon advertising, there's a link in the description. You can just click on that link and you can just fill up the form and our team will get in touch with you. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.